What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with your C programming and install the Glasgow C compiler. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing you go do is go to your terminal wherever it's located. So I'm going to go to the dock, press that and press clear. And now the first thing you go do is do GCC -v. If you don't do this, you won't be able to compile any programs. And there you go, that's what it gives me. So now I am ready to compile C programs. Yes, so CD, desktop, go to the C folder, catprog1, and there you go. Hello world. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.